You have Termux. You have Metasploit running on your phone. You think you're set up. You're not even close. There's an entire ecosystem of newer, smarter tools built specifically for modern bug bounty and web security workflows sitting on GitHub right now. Most Termux users have never touched any of them. These 7 are where it starts. Disclaimer: authorized use only. Your own systems, authorized lab environments, and bug bounty programs within defined scope. Legal and ethical hacking only, always. Before you start, one command. Before tool number 1, run this first. Package install golang. Installing Go in Termux unlocks the entire ProjectDiscovery tool ecosystem, and most of what's on this list. Tool number 1. Dalfox XSS scanner with a brain. XS Strike is what most people use for XSS scanning in Termux. Dalfox is what they switch to after they actually use it. Dalfox is a Go-based XSS scanner built around speed and intelligence. The name stands for Finder of XSS, and it does exactly that across reflected, stored, DOM-based, and blind XSS simultaneously. What separates it from older scanners is the analysis layer. Before throwing payloads, Dalfox analyzes each parameter, identifying the injection context, what characters are allowed or filtered, and which payloads have the highest probability of success for that specific context. WAF fingerprinting with confidence scoring tells you exactly what protection is in front of a target before you start. The WAF evasion mode then adjusts request timing and payload structure to slip past it. Parameter mining with DOM analysis discovers parameters that aren't visible in the standard page source, parameters hidden in JavaScript that basic scanners never find. It pipes cleanly with other tools, outputs in JSON, Serif, and Markdown for reporting, and recently added MCP server support for AI integration. Tool number 2. Katana, the web crawler that reads JavaScript. Standard web crawlers miss large portions of modern web applications. The reason is JavaScript. Most crawlers read HTML and follow links. They see nothing that JavaScript renders dynamically, which in 2026 is a significant portion of every modern web application's actual surface area. Katana executes JavaScript. It runs a headless browser in the background while crawling, which means it sees the same content a real user's browser would render. Endpoints that only exist after a JavaScript event fires. API calls that only happen after user interaction. URLs constructed dynamically by client-side code. All of it gets discovered. The active crawling mode takes this further. It fills forms, clicks buttons, and triggers JavaScript events to discover what's behind interactive elements. The output feeds directly into FFUF, Nuclei, or Dalfox for the next phase of testing. For bug bounty hunters doing web application recon, Katana finds the attack surface that every other recon tool misses, and it runs cleanly in Termux. Tool number 3. Uncover. 6 search engines in one command. Shodan, Census, Fofa, Quake, Hunter, Zoomeye. Each one indexes a different slice of the internet. Switching between them manually during recon is slow and misses correlations that only appear when you look at all sources together. Uncover queries all of them simultaneously from a single command. You write one search query, a CVE, a product name, a banner string, an organization, and Uncover fires it against every configured search engine at once, deduplicates the results, and returns a clean, unified list of discovered hosts. The practical impact during authorized assessments is significant. A host that doesn't appear in Shodan but shows up in FOFA. An exposed service that Census missed but Zoomeye has indexed. Running Uncover on an authorized target's technology stack surfaces the complete picture of their internet-facing infrastructure, rather than whatever any single scanner happened to index on its last crawl. API keys from each service connect through a config file. Free tiers on each platform provide meaningful daily coverage. Tool number 4. GAU, Get All URLs. Katana finds URLs by crawling the live site. GAU finds URLs the internet remembered, from before anyone thought to clean them up. GAU is short for Get All URLs. You give it a domain and it simultaneously queries 4 sources: Alien Vault's Open Thread Exchange, the Wayback Machine, Common Crawl, and URL Scan, and returns every URL ever associated with that domain across all of them. Endpoints from 2 years ago. admin paths from a version of the site that no longer exists, API routes from a previous codebase, login panels from subdomains that were decommissioned but never properly shut down. The critical insight for bug bounty and authorized security testing. Developers remove links, but not always functionality. They upgrade APIs, but often leave old versions running on the same server. They clean up exposed files, but don't rotate the credentials that were in them. The internet's archive has better memory than most security teams. Combine GAU output with URL to strip the noise. Then feed the clean URL list into Dalfox or Nuclei for automated testing. That three-tool pipeline, GAU to URL to scanner, is what bug bounty hunters actually run in Termux. Tool number 5, Interactsh. Find blind vulnerabilities. Some of the most severe vulnerabilities produce no visible output. Blind SSRF, blind command injection, blind XSS that fires in an admin panel you can't see, blind SQL injection with time-based detection limited by network latency. Standard scanners miss them because they can only report what they observe in the response. Interactsh solves this with out-of-band interaction testing. It generates unique callback URLs for HTTP, DNS, SMTP, and other protocols that you inject into payloads as the target. When the vulnerable server makes an outbound request to your callback URL, Interactsh logs it with the full request details, confirming the vulnerability even though the original HTTP response showed nothing. One unique URL. You inject it everywhere. Headers, body parameters, form fields, XML entities. The moment a callback arrives, you have proof of a blind vulnerability. The exact parameter, the exact request, the timestamp. Bug bounty programs pay high severity for blind SSRF and blind command injection. This is what finds them reliably. Tool number 6, Trufflehog. Find secrets hiding in code. Developers accidentally commit secrets constantly. API keys, database credentials, OAuth tokens, private keys, AWS access keys, GitHub tokens. It happens to large companies, small startups, and individual developers. And those committed secrets often stay in the repository history long after someone realizes the mistake and deletes the file. Trufflehog finds all of it. It scans Git repositories, file systems, S3 buckets, and other sources using over 700 verified detectors, each built to recognize a specific secret type with low false positive rates. It checks not just the current state of files, but the full commit history, because a secret deleted from the latest commit is still findable in the repository history. The verified detection mode goes one step further. For supported secret types, Trufflehog actually tests whether the found credential is still active and valid. A live API key is flagged differently from an expired one. In authorized code review and bug bounty work on client repositories, Trufflehog consistently surfaces valid credentials that nobody knew were exposed. Tool number 7, HTTPX. Probe everything that's alive. Uncover finds hosts. GAU finds URLs. But before you throw any scanner at them, you need to know which ones are actually alive, what they're serving, and what's running underneath. That's exactly what HTTPX does. HTTPX is a fast and multi-purpose HTTP toolkit built to probe services, web servers, and other valuable metadata. And it does all of it simultaneously across thousands of targets in seconds. You pipe in a list of hosts or URLs, and HTTPX probes each one, returning the HTTP status code, page title, web server name, content type, response time, detected technologies based on the Wapalizer dataset, JARM fingerprint, CDN detection, and favicon hash, all in a single clean output line per host. GitHub. The technology detection is the part that feeds directly into the next phase. When HTTPX tells you a host is running Apache 2.4.51 on Ubuntu with WordPress 6.1, that exact combination maps to known CVEs. When it returns a JARM fingerprint that matches a known C2 framework, that's a threat intelligence finding on an authorized target. The pipeline that professional bug bounty hunters run in Termux. Uncover finds hosts to HTTPX, filters to alive ones with technology fingerprints, to Nuclei scans the fingerprinted hosts with matching templates. 3 tools, automated, all running on your phone. Like and subscribe for more. Drop a comment. Which of these are you installing first? See you in the next one.